Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hopping right into it, we're going to go ahead and start priming our eyelid with the P. Louise base in the number 4. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelids with this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. The first shade I'm going to use is this dark green at the bottom of this palette that I'm trying to show you. I don't even know if they make this palette anymore, but if I can find it, it'll be in the description box below. So for that dark green shade, I'm going to use a very soft like blending brush to put that all in my crease. And also I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye because what I'm doing is a cut crease. So I don't like to put the shadow all over my eyelid because, you know, we're just going to carve it out anyway. So I'll just let you guys watch. To do the cut crease, I'm going to use an angled brush, one of these two, and to be honest, the first one didn't work for me, so as you'll see in the next clip, I do use that second brush. And I also use the P. Louise base to do this part also. To be honest, you guys, this is like the third time in my entire life that I've ever done a cut crease. So you'll see in this clip right here how much back and forth I go trying to get it as good as I possibly could. So once I got my cut crease like semi decent, I just decided to go on to the next step because I'm a Virgo, y'all, and I would sit here all day trying to get it perfect and it just wasn't working out. So the next shade that I'm using is this pretty green color in the Morphe's 35M palette, and I'm gonna just put that all over the area where the, you know, the cut crease is. So now I'm going back in with that first green shade that I used to like blend it in and make it all more seamless. Now I'm going in with this Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette with the eyeshadow color Rush to blend out the outer like eyeshadow and make it, you know, not as harsh. So I went ahead and put on some natural looking lashes and a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my under eye with those same eyeshadow colors. So I'm going in with my Old Faithful Naked 2 palette, and I'm using Half Baked on the inner corners of my eye to just highlight it and brighten it up a little bit. In that same Naked 2 palette, I'm going in with the color Chopper to highlight my brow bone. Okay guys, so here's a quick clip of how things all came out. I want to thank you all again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.